Vijayaswamy Reddy.
Thank you, Vice Chairman, sir. I, on behalf of YSR Congress Party, raised to support this bill. Sir, the previous framework, I am showing my hand towards this side. The previous framework left the farmers at the mercy of the middlemen, that is dalals, who wanted to increase their own margins. Now, there are some positive aspects in this bill. Sir, a farmer who toils day and night in his fields faces two problems. Problem number one is whether he shall be able to get the right price for his produce. Number two, whether he will be able to sell at a reasonable rate. At what rate? These two problems farmer is facing. Sir, by allowing contract farming, the farmer is assured of the sale price for his produce at a predetermined price. This is one advantage. And the risk, therefore, is transferred from the farmer to the buyer. Sir, secondly, the bill free farmers from the coercion of the licensed middlemen. As the farmers could till now sell only to the licensed middlemen, and the middlemen found it easy to form cartels and these markets and offer low prices to the farmers, this will be prevented by passing this bill. Sir, this ends the monopoly of APMC system. A farmer in the market area is compelled by law to sell his own produce in the designated APMC market, and he is prohibited from going even to the next APMC in the next district, even though it is much nearer to the farmer. Sir, this can be avoided by passing this bill. Sir, and there are some concerns also because of the paucity of time. I am not bringing it to your notice, but the one important issue which I would like to bring it to your notice is this bill does not cover the tobacco. Why? Clause 2 of the farmer's assurances defines farming produce to include all the foodstuffs, edible oil, cotton, poultry products, but leaves out tobacco. And I request the Honorable Minister that this can be included, and there is nothing wrong in allowing the contract farming even in the case of tobacco for export purposes, sir. Sir, in Andhra Pradesh, YSR, 2 more minutes. In YSR Congress, R stands for Raitu, that is farmer. Stands for Raitu or farmers. Historical decisions have been taken by the Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister Sri Y.S. Jagan Mohan Reddy Garu under Raitu Bharosa PM Kisan scheme. 49 lakh or about 10% of the state population of Andhra Pradesh get 13,500 rupees as financial assistance. Point number 2, sir. This is the highest in any state in India. Sir, there is another factor which can be followed by the other states also. Price stabilization fund of 3,000 crores of rupees to protect the farmers' interest has been created by the state of Andhra Pradesh by the Chief Minister. Sir, the third point, the state which is not anywhere in this country, Andhra Pradesh, assured MSP for 6 crops: chili, turmeric, onion, minor millets, banana, sweet oranges. I request the Honorable Minister to include as many as possible under MSP, sir. Decentralized procurement centers for each village for all the crops. A total of 10,671 procurement centers have been planned and being established in Andhra Pradesh by the Honorable Chief Minister. Sir, these Raitu Bharosa Kendras to provide all agricultural inputs, series such as fertilizers, seeds to the farmers to help the farmers, sir. Sir, lastly, I wish to bring to the notice to your kind notice the hypocrisy of the Congress party, which is very important to be known to all the members, sir. In Congress manifesto, I would like to show the Congress manifesto to you, sir. This is the Congress manifesto which has been disclosed and released to the public. And this Congress manifesto, their president photo is also there, their symbol is also there. I draw your attention to item number 11 and 12 of the manifesto under the head Agriculture, Farmers and Farm Laborers. What did they say? Why are they changing their stand now? Is it not a hypocrisy? See, point number 11 says.
Sir, please
Congress
conclude.
will repeal the Agricultural Products Market Committees Act and make trade in agricultural produce, including exports and interstate trade, free from all restrictions. This is the manifesto what they have released. And point number 2, sir, we will establish farmer markets with adequate infrastructure and support in large villages. This is what exactly the government is doing now. What is this hypocrisy? Why are they opposing this bill? There is no reason for Congress party to oppose this bill. Their objective is only one, sir. The Congress party is a party of
Sir, your time is over, sir.
and middlemen dalals. And
Please.
today, all those who support this
Please.
bill are pro-farmers, then those against it
Sir,
are
the
pro-middlemen.
next speaker.
They are pro-middlemen.
Sir, the next speaker.
Congress people are pro-middlemen.
Next speaker, C. Ramachandra Prasad.
More, the Congress,
C. Ramachandra Prasad.
Congress members.
Sir, next speaker. It will